Good morning, hope you're all well. Right, so seeing as work was called off today, I thought, well, as you can tell, it's a beautiful day, so why not go for a walk? So today we're going up to Stanton by Risley and back over past Risley Old Farm, Hotwell Hall, might do the circle on that, see how I feel, and then back to Breaston. So yeah, anyway, as you knew, well, probably some of you know, yesterday was World Mental Health Day. If you do watch these videos and you do want to get out or anything like that, just do it. You'd be surprised on how good walking is for your mental health, and it helps me a hell of a lot, you know, trying to change certain little things in my life to help me improve, and this has probably been the biggest one so far. So yeah, if anything like that, you know, if you can relate to it, just give us a comment, you know, anything like that, how it's helped you, and you know, and if you're local to Breaston or near the area and you fancy going on a walk, give me a shout, or just go on to the Instagram page and follow me. Well, sorry, inbox me. So yeah, anyway, shall we crack on? So that was the lovely little village of Risley. It's only up the road from where Breaston is, so yeah, it's a nice little Risley old pub there. It's worth a check out. So now we've left that side and starting to open up. So yeah, we're off up over to No Man's Lane, and then, well, there will be a man on there when I get to the top. Anyway, then we'll carry on over to Stanton. But yeah, glad I came out so far. Right, now I know you can't see it because it wouldn't be able, well, my phone don't zoom in like that, but over in that direction is Allport Heights, where we've been before. Cross over just to the right of it, about there is Crich, and then obviously we'll go over to Ambergate, and as I cross over to Ilkeston Way, and then we've got, where are we, over that way, Eastwood Kimberley End. I'll bring my hand down to get back in. We're just in that direction. You can't see it, but there's a water tower. That's the back end of Kimbo, and then it goes over to just the other side near Strelly Village and everything. And then we can see Nottingham, and just in the popping its heads up, a Stapleford Hill just there, and then that's Bramket Hill, not far from where I brought up all that area. And then literally just straight ahead, just there, Stanton. So yeah, if if you've got a telescope or anything like that, or a long range lens for your camera, it's an absolutely cracking view, and it is really well worth it, especially on day like today. Anyway, we'll crack on into Stanton. Only me again. Right, so that was very, very picturesque Stanton by Dale. Beautifully quiet today. If I couldn't move to the Peak District and I had the chance to move anywhere near a wash, apart from where I am now, it would definitely be there. But it's one of those places you pay to live there. But yeah, Checkers and then Stanton Arms, I think it's called. But anyway, two cracking little pubs there. I've been into them both. It's worth checking out, even if you just go by car. Excuse me, I've been out of breath, not been very long. Seeing these places, you know, little villages and that's not necessarily on your doorstep, but just around, you know, it's nice. The Peak Districts and Amber Valley and that line in the background over there, but you know, a lot of people don't check out what's near them or on the doorstep. You know, you think, oh, there's Ilkeston and that's it. Well, there isn't. There's Stanton, there's Cossam, Orsworth over the other side of the valley, there's the Bedley Viaduct, sorry. So yeah, there's loads to do. And yeah, okay, they're not massive hills around here, but they still keep your legs going, and they are mine. So yeah, we'll crack on. See if we can find this trig point. If I do, I'll grab a couple of photos and that. There's supposed to be one around here, but I've not seen it myself, and I've been here a few times. But we'll see, and we'll persevere. Anyway, catch up with you shortly. Well, thinking where the old trig point. There's footpath entrance. And guess what that is? Trig point. I didn't get the elevation. I'll have to have a look. But anyway, yeah, found it there. So it's down a slightly different path because we've come up that way earlier on. Now we're going back down that way, pass around the farm, and then that brings me into the other side of Risley, and then back down to Risley. So I'll catch up with you shortly. Bad views, are they? Right, my doorstep. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the walk. Good for me to get out during the week, first time in a long time. So I'm heading off home and then have a nice long shower. So I will see you next time. But don't forget to, obviously, if you've got any comments, questions or anything like that, or you do want to come on a walk, you know, see what it's like. Now, I won't obviously do a long walk to start with. Yeah, just get in touch. Obviously, don't forget to follow on all the socials, usual thing. I was going to be starting a podcast this week, but might have to be this weekend. So I'll give the details up on my Instagram on that one very soon, and Facebook. So yeah, until then, happy walking.